Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something really cool in store for you. Ever wondered how fire alarms work? Well, today we're going to show you how to make your very own fire alarm from scratch. Here is a quick demo for you. The components we need are a breadboard, a BC547 transistor, IR receiver, (120 OHM resistor), a LED, a buzzer, and a few male-to-male jumper wires. Take the breadboard and place the BC547 transistor on it. Take the IR receiver and place the positive pin on the positive power rail and negative pin on the base of the transistor. Take a jumper wire and connect its one end with the emitter of the transistor, and the other end to the negative power rail. Take another jumper wire with its one end connected to the collector of the transistor, and the other end on the breadboard. Take a buzzer and connect the positive pin to the positive power rail, and the negative pin connected to the jumper wire. Connect the 120 ohm resistor with one end connected to the buzzer and the other end connected on the breadboard. Take a LED and connect its positive pin to the positive power rail while the negative pin to the 120 ohm resistor. Connect the 9-volt battery with the battery clipper as shown. Now it's time to test it. Thanks for tuning in and joining us on this DIY adventure. We hope you enjoyed learning how to make your own fire alarm.